Hello and welcome to this new edition of XDI Insights. In today's edition, we want to go briefly over three really important things to consider before you implement your new digital innovation platform, whether that's CAD, PLM, simulation, or such. So really throughout our experience working with customers, there are really three things that are very important when industrial customers, are looking to implement their new digital innovation platform. So those three things are technology, process, and people. And really, when we talk about technology, we're talking about, are we choosing the right set of tools or platform or software services that make sense for our organization in terms of current infrastructure, maybe the current workforce and their current skill set and what they know how to use, and overall relationships that maybe we have with some technology providers, and maybe we want to align with a OEM in a case, for example, of an aerospace or an automotive supplier, that they want to choose a technology that aligns with what the tools that their OEMs are working with are using. So, for example, 3D Experience or CATIA for Boeing suppliers, and maybe even Bell helicopter suppliers. So the second thing to consider is really process. In terms of process, what we're really looking for is, does the company have mature business processes in place, and are they being followed by company employees? Are they well documented? In a lot of situations, we've come into companies where there's a lot of tribal knowledge, and that has to be kind of handled first before you even take a leap and go directly from that to maybe a new tool. So really understanding the process as a company helps. Also aligning the processes that those companies will need with the technology component that we've discussed in the first place. So that could be the second thing that the company wants to look at, is process. Do we have defined processes? Are these processes agreed on? Are they being followed? And if we need to, maybe are we flexible enough to accommodate or tweak certain processes to fit this new innovation platform that we want to implement? And really the third component is people. And when we say people, it really encompasses a whole lot of different actors involved in these types of implementations. So, for example, a company that wants to go through a digital transformation project, do they have the right teams in place? Do they even have dedicated teams, or maybe at least assigned teams that will be leading these types of projects, and making sure that they have the right buy-in from the overall organization, whether that's IT or engineering or manufacturing or all, to make this a success? Do we have the right people in terms of the technology provider and the team members that they will bring to bear to execute some of these projects? And really, are our people going to be ready to embrace change? Because a lot of this is change management. So how are we managing that change in terms of people and overall onboarding and training and user adoption? So really, those are the three things from a very high level that we should be looking at, or companies should be looking at, in terms of things to consider before implementing a new digital innovation platform. And with that, that would conclude today's session. Again, thank you for attending today's session. We appreciate you following. Give us a comment and tell us your experiences of how you've implemented, how you're looking to implement your new PLM platform. Thank you again. We'll see you soon.